guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with an amazing Happy Mail to share with you. I haven't done a Happy Mail video in a long time, and I honestly, I've already used some things that I've received in Happy Mail, and it sort of got away from me, so I'm so sorry. But this is an amazing package that I received from my dear friend Lori. Hi Lori. She spoils me rotten and I love her to death. All right, so let's get started. First of all, she has the best, oh my gosh, her and Dee Dee are just amazing at dyeing paper. Look at these colors. So pretty. I love this. Very, very cool. Thank you so, oh, look at that. Thank you so much, Lori. And this purple, oh, yes. And then she sent me a packet, little packet of paper that was dyed by Dee Dee and Amy. I think I had, okay, so a confession time. She sent me a list of where she received things that, that might be in this package, and I can't find it. Maybe it'll show up as we're going through this. I'm so sorry, Lori. I'm gonna try really hard to remember where things came from, but I think this is Dee Dee and Amy at Crafty Cat. Oh, Amy at Glamping and Glitter. If I'm wrong, I'm so sorry. But anyway, so paper. I love it because I hate dyeing paper. As you well know, there's this gorgeous piece of, I don't even know what this is, but look at that. Isn't that pretty? I think that was part of the extra bits, and you'll see in a second. And then these gorgeous buttons. They're wood, and then they have like dragonflies, and oh, aren't those gorgeous? I love them. She sent me some really pretty fabric. Purple, because she knows how much I love purple. And this one, I think, I love it all, but I think this one is my favorite. I'm probably gonna hoard that. And then this pretty, like turquoise floral. Very pretty. Thank you, Lori. And all right, we're gonna do this first. So Lori works at a really cool company called My Punk Broderie. I can't say the end of that very well. I'm so sorry. My tongue gets all messed up. I will link to the website in the description box below. I think the owner might be on vacation right now, and they're not shipping anything for a couple of days, but you can go and check it out and put things in your cart. And then I think you can purchase. It just won't ship until I think October 6th. So it's only a few days. However, it's a vinyl company, and I haven't opened all of these, but I want to show you. So they have like a felt. I haven't worked with vinyl before, so I'm probably going to sound like an idiot explaining this to you. But these are some flawed pieces that she purchased and sent to me to play with. But look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That would have been really perfect for the mermaid journal. But yeah, this is so cool. And I don't care. Like, people would, might care if it's flawed, if they're using it for like a big project, but I'm going to cut it up anyway, so it doesn't matter to me. And Lori knows that. So I have some ideas in mind. I've been racking my brain because, Lori's been working there for a while and we've been talking about it. And I have some ideas of what I'm going to do with this. And I actually have more that she sent before. Look at that. That would make a gorgeous cover. That is so pretty. It's textured too. I don't know if you can tell that. I'm wrapping it back up because apparently that's how you're supposed to store it. So I want to follow the rules. All right, what's this one? Oh yeah, look at that. It's like very pretty, like a bronze color. Again, embossed, textured. Oh, that's gorgeous. Let's roll it back up. It is easy to store that way too, by the way, when it's all nice and rolled. Whoops. yeah, anyway, there's a Facebook group for, oh, look at that. It's like holographic butterflies. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyway, so I'll link to the in the description box to the shop. And then I think if you go there, you can find the link to the Facebook group if you're interested. See, Lori got a scan and cut, and I'm jealous because she's been cutting vinyl on it and I don't have one. Oh, look at that. Shiny, shiny, like patent leather, holographic purple. So cool. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have a lot of fun. All right. I'm going to try to go a little faster. I've looked at some of these, but I didn't open them all because I wanted to do it on camera. But yeah, you'll be able to, oh, no, I don't like that one. Nope. Sorry, Lori. I don't like spiders. Oh, I might pass that along to someone. Anyone, you know, interested in spidery stuff, I might add that. I have a Halloween kit listed in my Etsy shop right now, like a scrapbooking kit with stickers and stuff. So I'm just going to add that in. Sorry, Lori. I'm such a dork. I am terrified of spiders, and I don't even like images. So I'm sorry, Lori. Oh, that's pretty. Black, that same sort of tribal, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, really cool. It's like black and, oh, that's awesome. That'll make a great cover as well. I'm so silly with spiders. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah. Anyway, sorry, Lori. Now you know, don't send me spider stuff. Oh, yikes. Anyway, I'll include that in that Halloween kit and someone can play with that. All right, I'm trying to find the end of this here. There we go. Ooh, there's some more of that really shiny, cool, it's like a sparkly purple. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah, I have some ideas, so stay tuned. Probably, maybe not next week, the week after, you might start seeing some vinyl videos. This is also some, I think of the tribal. It might be a different color. Oh yeah, that's more like a really cool red. Oh, that's cool. But not red. It's not really red. I'm not, you know, I know my rainbow colors. I don't know much past that. I feel like a dork today. Sorry. It's a muscle relaxer day, so I'm going to blame it on that. Okay, so then she knows how much I love llamas and alpacas and all things llama and alpaca. Look at this keychain. I love it, and it's so soft. And I'm going to hang it in my craft room right where I can see it because it just makes me happy. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Lori. Some really cool llama washi tape. Love it. This sticks on the back of your phone, right? And then you can put, I don't know, cards or something in there. I probably won't put anything, you know, I don't want to put my credit cards in there necessarily, but I'm going to put it on the back of my phone because how cute is that? It says no drama llama. I'm such a dork. And then look, oh, I'll do this one first. It's a Love Llama coin purse. How stinking cute is that? And then this says llama need no drama. I love it. And it's all purples and she, like I said, she gave me, oh, these are cigarette cards. She gave me a list and I'm such a dork and I lost it. Or I put it somewhere. It might be here somewhere, but how cute is that? I love that so much. Polka dots and purple and llamas. I mean, seriously, you can't go wrong. This, I think, was made by somebody. I'm so sorry. But this is to go inside my Friendship Llama journal. How pretty is that? And it's that purple fabric that she sent me. And it's gorgeous lace on the spine and this flower and this beautiful llama. And look, a llama charm. So let's look inside. And maybe I put the paper inside here. It's a possibility, but you know, we're dealing with me. This is from my digital kit. These are Dee Dee's dyed index cards and this pretty llama paper that she dyed. I love it. I think that Amy at Crafty Cat drew this and she signed it. It's an original. How cute is that? So I wish I could find that list, but I'm pretty sure it's Amy at Crafty Cat. So thank you, Amy, if you're watching this. That is adorable. And then some of my ruffle. I love it. Polka dots and this cool paper. And more llamas and cactuses with faces. I mean, how cute is that? So pretty and lots of purple. Lori, thank you so much. This is gorgeous. And again, if I had that paper, I could tell you where it came from probably. Or maybe Lori did it. Yeah, look at these. It's like, oh my gosh, I'm such a dork. I think some of the printable paper, yeah, you know, some of it was from Allie at Cockney Crafter. This is so pretty. Some of it was, oh goodness, yeah, I'm not going to remember. I'm so sorry. Look at that. How cute is that? I love it so much. So yeah, this, and she kind of left it, you know, fairly blank so that I can, you know, add to it. And she sent me all the little extras that she had left over from making it so that I, you know, can add to it. So I'm so excited. So excited. Ah, so pretty. And this paper clip, very cool. Let's see if I can take it off of there. Look at that. Very cool. This is very pretty. So yeah, I'm super excited, Lori. I love this so much. My son was laughing at me because I was just losing my mind as I was looking through it. So, oh, it's so cute. Oh, look at this. I love this so much. This lace is gorgeous. It's just perfect in here. And a little bit, she made it into a little belly band. So cute. More llamas. This paper, I think this is Allie at Cockney Crafter. I'm pretty sure that's her digital. I'm probably wrong. Lori, if I'm wrong, just, you know, just put it in the comments. But I'm going to try and find that paper and then I'll link to all of the shops that things came from. Ugh, my brain, I swear. Oh, and this is llama poo paper. I have no idea if it actually is made from llama poo. I don't care. First of all, how cute is this with the little floral trim? But yeah, so look at, it's like handmade paper. And I don't know if it doesn't smell like poo. I mean, I don't care. Because, you know, I love llamas so much. Go ahead, give me their poo. And it says, Llama Lover. I love this company, Foxhill Llamas. They're on Etsy. I have linked to them before. I have trouble getting this back in here every time I take it out. Maybe I shouldn't take it out. All right, let me see. There, I'll go that way. That works. Okay. Little llama stickers. This purple paper is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So yeah, this is going to be a lot of fun to play in. And then another gorgeous llama. Ah, oh, so pretty. Enjoy the fluffy things. Lori, you are just amazing. And then I know that this is from somebody, and I have forgotten. And look at this sparkly eyelash trim. I love that. So cool. And this is gorgeous. Again, this is from somebody. I love it so much, that trim. And then, oh, It's perfect. Perfect. And then a little flip out here with some purple flowers. And then some cards in the top. That's so cool. And then flip out on this side. And you've got a little card and some llama paper. I love it. Love it, love it. And then coloring paper. And then here's the back. And that's from my digital kit too. And then a couple of Dee Dee's dyed pieces. So cool. And so I'm going to put this in here so that I don't lose it. I was hoping that the paper with all the information was inside, but I didn't put it there apparently. It'll show up. I know it will. I'm just a dork. All right. And then she just sent me like all of the little leftover pieces. Look how pretty those are. That she didn't use while she was making it. So I have these gorgeous napkins. So cool. Stickers and a whole slew of llama stickers. Huge llama stickers. Oh, here it is. Yay. Okay. So the llama cover is from, I can't pronounce it, Yersalka Design on Etsy. I'll link all this. The llama pages are from True Colors Digital. Some of the kit papers, oh, it was Bohemian Crafting. Sorry, I apologize. The watercolor llama, yeah, that was Amy at Crafty Cat. The little stamped tags and the altered paper clip are from Alicia at Casa di Cogneto. The Dreamcatcher tag is Allie at the Cockney Craft Shop. The fabric flip is Melody at Willoughby House. And then obviously the blank tags that I already pointed out were from Dee Dee. Okay, yay, I have that and I will link it in the description box. Okay, so yeah, all this fun stuff that I can, look at that, that I can add. And then, I mean, just a ton of llama stickers because you can't have enough of those. Look at these. I love those. And then some paper, like that paper that is in the journal, and this gorgeous purple cardstock, and then a 2020 planner, but I'm just going to use the cover because it has llamas on it. All right, that's it, guys. My crazy, awesome llama kit, Happy Mail and all that vinyl. Thank you so much, Lori. Your friendship just means the world to me, and I treasure it. And I thank you for all the fun llama goodies that you sent my way. All right, guys, I'll be back soon. I hope you have a fabulous day. And yeah, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.